What's up, guys? Cody with SonicElectronics.com. We're at SEMA 2024 looking at some of the new Metra gear that they've dropped. This right here, we're looking at the Metra 953315B. So this is going to fit your GMC Terrain from 2018 to 2024. Really nice to see them come out with a dash kit for those years and that make. This is going to fit a standard 4-inch tall aftermarket radio, either an ISO, a single DIN, or a double DIN. Sold separately, of course, go buy the radio elsewhere. Panel designed to include vehicles with either the factory 7-inch or 8-inch screen, and it is painted with scratch-resistant matte black to match that factory finish, as well as made from the highest quality ABS plastic for an original factory-like fit and finish. So it's going to include all your hardware and brackets that you need as well, of course, because it's Metra. They're here to hook you up. So if you're driving an 18 to 24 GMC Terrain, be sure to check out the 953315B from Metra, either on their website or over at SonicElectronics.com.